when it comes to sum, you always need to make sure that the first thing you have to do is zooming. Okay, you have to zoom the abacus. There is no beats that is touching the divider. Which is divider? This is called divider, or it is also called as answer line. There is no beats that is touching the divider or answer line. Okay, so right now the value of this abacus is 0. The value of this abacus is 0 because there is no beats that is touching the divider or answer line. Yes, and before going into the sum, so this is your sum page. Before going into the sum page, the first thing you have to make sure is the value of this top beat. The value of this upper beat is always 5. Okay, so the value of this bottom beat is always 1. Yes, and for upward movement, for any upward movement in this rod, especially this ones rod, it is also called as unit pointer rod. So for any upward movement you have to use your thumb, and for any downward movement you have to use your index. These are the things you have to make sure before starting your sums, right? So now imagine there is one beat that is touching the divider. There is one beat that is touching the divider. Fine. So what is the value of this abacus now? As there is one beat touching, you have to think which beat it is, the beat at the bottom or the beat at the top. Okay, if it is the beat at the bottom, what is the value of beat at the bottom? The value of beat at the bottom is 1. So the value of this abacus is 1 here, right? Okay, imagine there is a beat, again a beat is touching the divider line. Yes, a beat is touching the divider, and it is the beat which is at the bottom or which is at the top. It is a lower beat or upper beat. Here the upper beat is touching, right? So the value of the upper beat is 5. Here the value of the upper beat is 5. So the answer or the value of this abacus is 5 here. Got it? So let me show how to represent 1. So you have to represent 1 by pushing one beat in the lower beat. Okay, you have to push one beat in the lower beat, and the value of this abacus is 1. Now this is how we have to represent 2. The value of this beat is 1. The value of the other beat is also 1. Totally the value of the whole abacus is 2. So this is how we have to represent 2. Followed by 3, followed by 4. Okay, for 5 you have to push your upper beat because the value of this upper beat is 5. So this is 5. Got it? Did you see which finger I have used for pushing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? For pushing 1 and followed by 2, 3 and 4 I have used my thumb, and for pushing 5 I have used my index finger. Got it? Okay, what about 6? For 6 I have to use both my finger. For 6 I have to use both my finger simultaneously. You should not do it separately. You should not do 5 followed by 1 separately. No, you should not do like that. You have to do it simultaneously. Okay, you have to do together. Got it? So this is for 6. What about for -6? You have to minus it simultaneously. See, again I'm using my index and thumb. I am doing it simultaneously. Yeah, simultaneously I'm removing it. So now it is -6, right? Now it is -6. What about add 7? This is add 7. What about -7? This is -7. Again add 8, -8. Add 9, -8. Got it? Yes?